Don't worry about being delicate. I'll let you know if anything hurts.
I'm not going to worry about that. It's going to hurt no matter what.
I should have gone to the store.
Hang on, you got gloves? You got HIV, don't you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not. You can't really get it from me like that.
Well, blood?
You can't get it like that.
What do you mean?
You can't get it. If my blood was poured out of me, and you
If
drink
I had
it,
a wound on my hand?
if my blood poured out of me on the ground and you had it all over your hands, and even if you were cut, you're not going to get it. Because as soon as it's out of my body, in the atmosphere, it just kills it right immediately. But anyways.
That's not what I heard. Where's the gloves at? If you can't think, don't worry about it. I'll just wash my hands real good after.
My back pouch, right there. And one of the big pouches, probably the first big pouch. Yeah, those are them.
You want the gloves I was talking about? You're fine.
I got those too. You're talking about like...
Yeah, like actual medical gloves.
Hey Google. Oh, that's not really good right now. I wish I could change the camera, turn the camera around. Oh shit. Go ahead. It does suck. It is gonna suck, huh? Yeah, go. It's not so bad. Awesome. Thanks, Professor White. Dr. White. Dr. White. You're Dr. White. I wonder what we're gonna do about this. Yeah.
Hang on.
I got stitches too in there. I don't.
Oh my God, there's maggots.
Oh man, fuck, dude! I knew I could feel something. It's only been 2 days. What the fuck? I hate these fucking flies.
Hey.
I was out here yelling. At the guy. I had my foot up here, and there's flies in the fight. A couple of flies landed on my toe first time, and I looked at him. I said, Oh no, that's not happening. And I started yelling at the flies and get loud enough that our neighbor was probably getting pissed at me yelling. I knew I had a good reason. I knew I had a good reason to be yelling at the flies.
That's not bad. Maggots are actually really good.
Yeah, I almost thought about it. I thought, well, the flies probably eat bacteria. I probably just let them do their thing. But then I thought about it some more. I was like, nah, they probably lay eggs or something in me.
And they sure did.
Yep. Oh. I think that's going on up here then too. Well, that's pretty fucked up. Excuse my language. Excuse my language. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Any maggots in that one?
Let me see. Definitely that one.
Okay, still in this one?
Might in that one too. No, they're.
Jeez.
So yeah, 3 weeks.
Yeah, that would be a no.
What the fuck, dude?
You know, and I knew it because my grandmother, when I was a kid, my grandmother in Santa Barbara, I think she had a bandage or something for a while, and she had maggots on hers, or maybe it was her roommate. It was her roommate. But anyways, it came to mind when. I think you can get gangrene like that too, huh?
Oh, yep, there's maggots on your toes.
Oh shit! Fuck! God, that was crazy. God,
They didn't cut that skin off right there? What the fuck?
Get off! Oh fuck! What the fuck? Excuse me.
Why did they not cut that skin off your toe?
Maggots on my foot. I don't think you can. I think you got them off. Are they still on my toe? What's going on? I definitely can feel something moving around.
In there?
No, in my knee. It keeps itching. I feel like I keep thinking it's probably an ant, you know? Are you alright?
Yeah. You wanna stick a Q-tip in there? I'll let you do that. It's not the first time I unwrapped something and seen maggots. But goddamn, dude, what the fuck?
Fuck. It's only been 2 days. This is the night before last.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It'll take you a couple of days to dab yourself.
Can you help me? Okay, what am I doing? Just pulling this stuff off?
You just want to slightly stick that in there and see if there's any maggots in there. Yeah, why the fuck did they keep that there? That's clean. Okay. Whew. All right. I just wanted you to do that, just because the pain. I don't know how you had that set up. Okay. Whew. What are you doing?
Still on the floor.
I'm gonna dab everywhere. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now, I don't know if we should put this on there right now. We'll wait a couple more days for that.
Well, this is bringing me some antibiotic medication they prescribed me for my at around 6. I don't know what time it is. I might have some cream lotion, like, what do you call it? The cream stuff you put on there. I think this might be, you think that's a good idea? What's this stuff called?
Okay. Just gonna wrap it up as it is. Like that.
Just dry, you don't want to put cream under between the...
Well, how you do it to get it off so it doesn't stick, spray water this on there.
You know, they didn't put anything on there you didn't look like?
They didn't look like nothing.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a good wound. That's good fucking...
Like deep. This one hurt the most. I didn't see the stitches. Oh yeah, I see them. Yeah, this one hurt. This one was deep.
Yeah, that's why the maggots were there.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. And because you had maggots on there, I don't really want to like put too much on it because then it takes that much longer to get it off.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna put a piece of tape right there.
Yeah, it won't
Call
be
that
able
one good for
Blood
now.
won't be able to push out all the...
Right.
I appreciate the good prognosis, Dr. White. Hopefully we won't be...
I wasn't expecting maggots to be there yet.
Me neither. I don't know what we're gonna have under door number 2 here.
I'm gonna suggest maggots. Maybe a couple.
I had the ant problem in here a few days ago, and they're gone now, but
3 weeks, bro. They were gonna let you sit like that.
I guess. Either that or I'd go to Medford. I could have gone to Medford in a week or here in 3 weeks. So far, so good. Yeah. No, wait. No.
Hey, just do it. Is there stitches or anything there?
I don't think so.
It's just one little strand.
No. Yeah.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
You're anticipating the pain, which is making it hurt worse, to be honest with you.
It's gonna be worse. I guess this is my knee, my right knee. Beautiful. Thanks, Dr. White.
Oh yeah, and maggots.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look. What the fuck? God damn. God. Yeah. Fuck. It's embarrassing, but I know it shouldn't be, but what the
One right there crawling up there.
Is that one right there? Yeah, I think so.
Skin.
You stupid caterpillars.
Damn, delicious.
Well, I'm glad I got that. I'm glad I got that on camera because that surprised me. That's enough fun for y'all.